हेलो वेलकम बैक टू बोलोपीडिया वॉइस। तो ये है पोकेमोन माइथोलॉजी का पार्ट 2 शिनोमाइट्स। तो हमने इसका पार्ट 1 जो बनाया था पहले उसे देख लें, उसके बाद इसमें आ जाएं। तो चलो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं, पर उससे पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल पे नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर ही दो और लास्टली घंटा दबा देने का, ताकि मैं आगे की वीडियोस अपलोड करूँ तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। तो पोकेमोन वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ी माइथोलॉजी है शिनोमाइट्स, क्योंकि शिनो ही वो जगह है जहाँ से सारी माइथोलॉजीज़ की स्टार्ट हुई है, या फिर पूरे के पूरे पोकेमोन यूनिवर्स की शुरुआत हुई है। सो betray not your anger, lest will come, weep not view sorrow or will draw near, when joy and enjoyment come neutral as a very air, that is happiness, let such be blessed by a hand of masters. Those words were spoken often as customary. तो चलिए माइथोलॉजी स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो शिनो रीजन माइथोलॉजी। लॉन्ग अगो when Shino had just been made, Pokemon and humans led separate lives. That is not to say they did not help each other. No, indeed they did. मतलब कि वो मुसीबतों में मदद करते थे दूसरों की। They supplied each other with goods and support each other. A Pokemon proposed to the others to always be ready to help humans. It asked that Pokemon be ready to appear before humans always. Thus, to this day, Pokemon appear to us if we venture into tall grass. और इसके बाद है Lake Guardian Mites. 3 Pokemon there were. Into the lakes they dove. Deep, deep, drawing no breath. Deeper, deeper they dove. Into suffocating depth they dove. Deeper than deepest them all allied. From the lake floor they rise, bearing with them the power to make vast land they rise again. The next have Wellstone Mites. A young man carrying a foolish innocence come to own a sword with its smart Pokemon, which gives sustenance with carefree abandon. Those not taken a food is discarded with no afterthought. The following year no Pokemon appeared. Ladder grew bare. The young man seeking a missing Pokemon journeyed afar. Long did he search, and far and wide, until one he did find. Asked he, "What do you hide?" To which Pokemon replied, If you bear your sword to bring harm upon us, with claws and fangs, we will exact a toll from you, kind. We will take our toll, for it must be done. Done it must be to guard ourselves, and for it I apologize. To the sky the young man shouts his dismay in having found the sword I have lost so much. Gorged with power, I grew blind to Pokemon being alive. I will never fall savage again. This sword I denounce the forsake. I plead for forgiveness, for I was but a fool. So saying, the young man hurled the sword to the ground, snapping it. Seeing this, a Pokemon disappeared to a place beyond seeing. तो अगली स्टोरी को कहा जाता है ओरिजिनल स्टोरी। इन द बिगनिंग देयर वॉज ओनली अ churning turmoil of chaos. At the heart of chaos, we all think become one, appeared an egg, having tumbled from the vortex. The egg have rise to the original one. Wow. From itself to being the original one did make time started to spin. Space began to expand from itself again. 3 living things the original one did make. The 2 beings wish, and from them matter come to be. The 3 living things wish, and from them spirit come to be. The world created, the original one took unyielding sleep. तो नेक्स्ट माइथ को कहा जाता है हॉरिफिक माइथ। लुक नॉट इनटू पोकेमॉन आइज इन बट इंस्टेंट You will have no recollection of who you are. Return home, but how? When there is nothing to remember. Dare not to touch Pokemon's body. In but 3 short days, all emotion will drain away. Above all, harm not the Pokemon. In the sand 5 days, the offender will grow immobile in entirety. ऐसा किसके साथ हो गया भाई? तो इसे कहते हैं शिनोमाइट folk tale stories. The pig clean the bones of Pokemon catch in the sea of stream. Thank them for a meal they provide. The pig their bones clean. When the bones are as clean as they can be, set them free in the water from which they come. The Pokemon will return fully fledged and it begins anew. तो ये स्टोरी पूरी तरह से मैंने के ऊपर है. मैंने के ऊपर. Shino Folk Story 2. They leave a Pokemon in a forest. In the forest, the Pokemon shed its hide and sleep as a human. Awaken the human dons the Pokemon hide to roam village. तो इसमें बात की जा रही है शेमिन के बारे में. और लास्ट है Shino Folk Story number 3. There once were Pokemon that become very close to human. There once were humans and Pokemon that ate together at the same table. It was a time when there existed no difference to distinguish the two. Okay, अब बात हो रही है यहाँ पे लुकारियो की. तो folk tales में हमें ये पता चलता है a literally translation of Shino Folk Story number 3. The myth originally referred the Pokemon and people marrying each other. Also dressed evolution in the Pokemon world from Pokemon to man as good Shino Folk number Story 3. मीन्स इस टाइम तक के लोग लुकारियो या फिर कोई भी ह्यूमन लाइक एक ग्रुप के पोकेमॉन के साथ शादी करने लग गए थे. इसी के बाद ओरा गार्डियंस वजूद में आए. ओके, 2 माइथ्स और हेड स्पीयर पिलर. When this world was made, Dialga and Palkia appeared. Apparently, there was one more Pokemon that appeared at the same time. A Pokemon with much power as Dialga and Palkia. यहाँ पे गिराटीना की बात हो रही है शायद. But also one whose name was never to spoken, Giratina. It's said to lurk in another world, a world on the opposite side of ours, at the Distortion World. A legend of Giratina has been all but forgotten, but the legend told the world on the other side of ours, this world. Why does this world exist? Why is Giratina here all alone? सही में यार ये बात अजीब है. गिराटीना सही में अकेला क्यों रहता है वहाँ? तो ये वाली माइथ सेलेस्टिक टाउन की केव में लिखी हुई है. दिस केव पेंटिंग इट ऑलवेज बीन डिस्क्राइब दिस वे. द लाइट इन द सेंटर रिप्रेजेंट ईदर डियालगा और पाल्किया appearing the spear pillar. The 3 lights around it were thought the Yuxi, Masprit and other. But then I realized that there may be another way to interpreting this. Could it triangle of light actually representing a different trio? Could they be Dialga, Palkia and Giratina instead? And the large light in the center, does it represent something else? Could it be what creating this world of ours? Do you know of ancient plates they find all over Shino? One of them had this engraved on it. 2 beings of time and space set free from the original one. I think it quite to point to the presence of another Pokemon, a Pokemon even more powerful than Dialga or Palkia. Does that sound possible to you? I'm not quite sure how Giratina fits into this scheme of things, but it's said that Distortion World neither time nor space were stable. I think that tells us something about Giratina, the only Pokemon there. It must have been powerful as Dialga and Palkia, the ruler of time and space. In some way, thought Giratina have 2 power opposite of theirs. A long time I wonder what sort of person painted this. Dialga, roar of time, Palkia, special ran to the people back then. Their Pokemon really must have appeared. The rule over time and space, seeing them must have shaken the people to their very core. This painting represents those feelings of wonder, the everything else. It passed that memory to countless peoples. तो ये रही सेलेस्टिक टाउन की पेंटिंग. इसको देख के समझ जाओ इसका क्या मतलब है. So countless people can eventually become a myth. That what I believe. The researching of myths. I think I let my carried away to talk for too long. I am sorry and thank you. Let's meet again. So next myth है Oreburg mine. If I had explained very simply, I study how people come to be that good. Explain why I happen to be the Shino. In Shino, there are myths on how the world come into existence. Investigating that might may give insight on the emergence of people. I found something very interesting soon after arrival. You may have it you had like the hiker gives a player a flame plate. I am told that plate was created at the same time as Shino. The plate I found bear an inscription. The rightful bearer of the plates draw from the plates it hold. The rightful bearer, I think, may point the shaper of this world. Oh, by the way, I am only interested in the word the throat left behind. Physical artifacts like the plates don't interested me. Once I have been read them, I hope we meet again somewhere. तो इसके बाद आती है क्या लव माइथ. इसमें सिर्फ डाकराय के बारे में बताया गया कि जैसे कि उसने बुरे सपने दिखाए थे लोगों को. उसके बाद कैस्टिलिया को बुलाना पड़ गया उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए. बस इसी के बारे में इसकी स्टोरी. तो Shino myth का last chapter beginning of told on plate. This is a collection of engraving Romanian plates found in Shino. The original one breathed alone from the universe came. When the universe was created, its shards become these plates. The power of defeating giants infused this plate. Two beings of the time and space set free from the original one. Three beings were born in bind time and space to make matter, and three make spirit, shaping the world. The power of plates are shaped among Pokemon. The rightful bearer the plates draw from the plates it hold. तो लास्ट चैप्टर आर्कियस की प्लेट्स के बारे में था. तो ये वीडियो भी मेरी ख़त्म हो चुकी है Shino myths. तो मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.